Samsung is back at it again. The Galaxy A17 5G has just received its Android 16-based One UI 8 stable update, bringing cutting-edge features and enhanced security to mid-range smartphones. Let's dive in and see what's new. This latest update comes with firmware version A176BXX2BYID and includes the September 2025 Android security patch. Alongside improved security, the update introduces a slew of One UI 8 enhancements designed to make your Galaxy A17 5G faster, smoother, and more intuitive. So what's new in One UI 8? Expect a refined user interface with cleaner layouts, smarter notifications, and a host of customization options. Multitasking is more seamless than ever before, letting you switch between apps without missing a beat. And for fans of dark mode, the visual refinements make every screen look sleek and polished. Currently, the update is rolling out in Vietnam, but Samsung plans to expand it to other regions soon. If you're in Vietnam and haven't received the update yet, simply go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install to check manually. Remember, rollout schedules can vary depending on carriers and regions. Beyond the flashy features, this update is about optimizing performance and security. One UI 8 brings stability improvements and ensures your device stays secure with the latest Android patch. It's Samsung's commitment to keeping mid-range smartphones feeling fresh and responsive. So, if you own a Galaxy A17 5G, this is the perfect time to upgrade. Get ready for a faster, smarter, and safer smartphone experience. Stay tuned, because Samsung isn't slowing down anytime soon.